Okay, so I'm going to share a quick recording like you requested of how to add a list or how to add items to a customer's list when they're in the store. So we'll go to Shopify POS app on my iPad, put in the code. So now this wishlist plus tile is, I'm sure you're seeing this as well on your device. That tile starts showing up once you enable the Swym Shopify point of sale integration. And it's the one that has all of the details of a customer. In this case, I don't have any customers that I've selected, so it's all blank. But if I first go add a customer, I could either add a new customer that walked in for the first time and they don't have, they're not in our system yet, so we could create a new customer. But in this case, I'll find an existing one. We'll go look at Jane Doe. And so once Jane Doe is selected, now you'll see that the wishlist tab actually has, the wishlist tile has, it's showing a badge with 23 items. So I can go in there, look at everything that is in Jane's wishlist. So I could go in here, see all the items. If I view all, it's going to take me to her entire wish list. So each of these is a list on Jane's account. And so I could tap through any of them, but I'll go to the very end where you should see an in-store wish list. So it's got a couple of items in there already, a chakra bracelet and a short sleeve shirt. I could add products from here. And when I do that, it's going to go back to, it's going to let me search for products on your POS. I can, search for, let's say we do bracelets. It'll show me the bracelets that show up and I can add those. But I think what you wanted to do was the scan function. And so when you scan an item and it goes to the product detail page, I'll go to do it from the products page. So we'll search for a ring, for example. And so I can find this ring. We'll do size 8. It's not in stock at the moment, but that's okay. So if I go look at the product details for that ring, you'll now see that there is an add to wish list link right there, right? And so in your scenario, Keith, they will scan the item, it will open up the product page, and then they can go to the product details. The customer context needs to be selected. So in this case, Jane Doe is already selected. So now when I add to wish list, it's going to add it to Jane's wish list, but let's just go make sure that that did happen. So we'll go back to Jane. So we'll go back to Jane's wish list. And now you'll see that the wish list says 24. Let's open that up. And we'll actually want to go to the in-store list because that's where it gets added. And so there's the pedal ring that I just added, right? So now when Jane walks out to your checkout counter after she's picked up other items from the store, the person at checkout would essentially go pull up Jane, like add Jane's customer context to the POS session, and then go to the wish list tile, go to the in-store list. They'll see that. They'll then be able to, essentially check Jane out from there, including the items that Jane picked up in the store, but also whatever they found, in the in-store list like I was showing you. So we'll go back and I'll just show it to you one more time. If I go into the in-store list, I could go to the pedal ring and basically add that to cart and then check out. So now that is in the cart and we can check out and be done. This one was previously there. The 8 size ring was added it from the previous session, but the 6 is the one that it just got added. Hopefully that gives you what you were looking for, but if not, let me know. Thanks.